I'm live here at 2024 Leisure Time TV Resort Pool Madness runner-up Royal Pacific here at Universal. And major news here at Universal's Royal Pacific. I just spoke to the manager at Jake's, and they received official word that due to being the runner-up, they are officially in. They have received their 2025 Leisure Time TV Resort Pool Madness official invitation to the tournament. So we've already got potentially a number 1 seed locked into the tournament, possibly knocked to a number 2 after their devastating loss last year in the finals. We're gonna have to wait and see how the seeding happens, but Royal Pacific is in for 2025.
Leisure Time TV Resort Pool Madness.